with Trey Cruz with a multi-hit game yesterday. In the first pitch, Trey fouls it back to the screen. 0-2 with a 2.82 ERA. And the 0-1 pitch fouled straight back. It's 0-2. Deep right center. 0-2 on Cruz. Breaking ball taken for strike 3. So Trey goes down, make it 25 and 22 2/3 as Jarvis puts one in the air. Down the left field line. His brother charging in, and it's the shortstop, Jack Branch. Usually reigns supreme, at least in the first 5 innings of these ball games, as the pitch misses high on Justice Bigby for a back. Wine deals on the 1-0. Cut and a miss on the slide. Justice 279 average. He's homered 3 times. Off to a bit of a slow start in the month of May. The 1-1. Swing and a miss on a slider again, and it's now this season through 5 starts. The 1-2 on Bigby is a called strike 3 with a fastball at the knees. Chen with a pair of strikeouts in the first. We're on to the second. Here's Chris Myers. First pitch to Chris is the 1-0 is at the knees for a strike, and that even with the grass. The 1-1 on Myers. Fouls it third base side into the. It's a 1-ball 2-strike count on Myers. The pitch. Chris takes it low. The pitch. Myers pieces this one foul up the first. 2-2 to Myers. Fisted back towards us. 2-2 on Myers. Fouled away. Chris. 2-2 on Myers. Reaches down to get it. Slow roller to first. Glove by Samillo. Takes it to the bag himself. They faced each other. Here's Roberto Campos. He'll take a strike. The 0-1. Looped into right. Going back on the ball is Gonzalez. Turns around. Reaches up. Hits the wall. Makes the catch and right. 2 down. That's from the left side against the right-hander Chen. First pitch swinging, fisted in the air, left field. Jarvis, the left fielder under it, makes the catch, and a quick inning once again for Po-Yu Chen. Both starters.
Out 2 through the first 6 batters he's faced. First pitch on Malgiri on 0-1, and misses low. Just to see one land. The 1-1. This is down and away. Stretch. 2 balls and a strike. This is above the zone crowd. 3 balls and a strike. And takes ball 4. Misses outside on a fastball. First pitch to Brady. Swing and a miss. Game. 0-1. Swing and a miss. Back pick to first by Hendry. Safe. Deal for our opponent that week. 0-2. And this is outside.
The opponent is
ball and 2 strikes on Allen. Oh, that got his hand.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Immediately, Garrett Griffin pointing the batter to first base. Here comes Andy Fox, the manager for the Curve. Brady, I think, took that off the bat. I thought that was an excuse-me foul ball.
We'll see here.
I thought they got the bat.
Can they slow that replay up at all?
He did not wince in any kind of pain. He's not getting any kind of medical attention.
And now the umpires are going to get together. So if they could slow this up, we might be able to get a look.
Yeah, I thought that looking for a bunt here with third baseman Dixon in. Danny set to think or say about it. The 0-1. Serretti takes down and in, and Hendry blocks it with a backhand.
Well, and look.
And for a lot of folks. 1 ball, 1 strike. Serretti lines the other way. Down the line, that ball's a fair ball, and it'll get down into the Erie bullpen. This one scores Malgiri as Jarvis digs it out. Here comes Allen around third. Relay to the plate. Late, it's a 2-run double, and happy birthday, Danny Serretti. He gives Erie. Still nobody out. First pitch from Chen. Swing and a miss. Ball down in the dirt. I think for now I'll just tweet this one myself.
Thank you.
Just in case Trey does something here and we don't want to be behind.
Maybe you could just send me the whole allotment after the game today.
Cruz struck out looking to begin the ball game as the 0-1 is in for a call. No balls, 2 strikes. Upstairs. 1-2. Kerr backdoored it again. Strike 3 called on Cruz. Opposing players with each other. First pitch. Swing and a miss. Jim played yesterday on 0-1. Swing and a miss again. During COVID. 0-2, up and away. That would make him very happy. 1-2 is popped up into short right. Going out for it is Jed. And he's got the second out. Staying at second, Serretti. First pitch. Curveball. Tapped slowly by the mound. Jeb crossing over. Long throw. And he got him. Inning over. But Danny Soretti's two-run double gives the Seawolves a 2-0 lead. We go to the fourth in the home of Seawolves baseball.
On top of Altoona here in the bottom of the fourth, Chris Myers takes OU Chen back to work with the curve, deals on the 1-0. They have outscored the Squirrels 21-0 over the first as Myers. Chen rocks back and deals. Myers fouls it away.
At 55 at bats, one homer.
1-2 on Myers, high and away.
Weird.
2-2 to Myers. Misses high and away.
Something. It was ridiculous.
3-2. Myers fouls it away. Here comes the payoff. And he fouls it to the mid of the catcher. First pitch to Campos, who flew a Somerset at 6:35. 1-0 on Campos. Misses low. And I'm hearing, Tiger outfielders 3-0 pitch, and that's a 4-pitch walk to Campos. Looks the part. Still developing, but he looks the part. Here's Eliezer Alfonso. Such a good job as the Tigers bench coach. 1-0 pitch down and in, 2 balls. Alfonso. Campos off first, pitch is lifted in the air, shallow center. Ciani charging, diving, he can't get it, and it bounces in and goes to the wall. Campos didn't read it, and he has to hold at second base.
I think he lost the baseball.
Here's Ben Malgiri in the dirt, ball 1. 1-0 to Ben. Ground ball to short. Brannigan flips to Jeb, on to first, not in time. They get the out at second. Now Campos gets to third, but that actually 2-1 Erie on top. Pitch to Allen, checks, and did he get hit again? The belt, kicks and deals. Ground ball off the glove of a diving Dixon at third. Backhanded by Brannigan in shallow left. He'll have no play. It's a base hit for Brady Allen. Campos Wolves here in the 4th inning. Got the run back. They gave up in the top. And first, 1-0. Soretti takes a strike. 1-1 on Soretti. In the air to left. Jarvis started back, comes in, makes the head-high catch, side retired.
Against Po-Yu Chen, who's thrown 62 pitches, 3 runs and 3 hits. He's walked a pair, he struck out 4. Trey Cruz to start out the 5th inning. First pitch is a cut and a miss for strike. Trey 6 for 10 against him entering this game. So I kind of combined the two. The 1-1 is, it was really, really good. The 2-1 is outside.
Never been a whiskey guy.
3-1, Cruz takes a strike short. On a payoff, Cruz takes high and away for ball 4, not close. Third walk issued by Chen, leadoff man on for the Seawolves in the 5th, now Jim Jarvis.
So we get all that when we go to Portland.
First pitch to Jarvis, little looper into shallow center. That one's gonna sit down a base hit in front of Ciani. Cruz goes to second. Jim Jarvis has the first Jarvis hit in they needed last night. First pitch, Bigby takes high. Run well, nobody out, the 1-0. Foul back on a 1-1. Justice takes low and going to be a fun weekend here at the ballpark. 2-1. Bigby up and in, swings and misses. Lost the hell. Ball is 2 strikes from Chen. Curve in the dirt and blocked well. Again, a payoff. Bigby swings through a fastball. Strike 3 on Justice. That's the 5th strikeout for Po-Yu Chen. Second time he's gotten Bigby. Hendry flashed some signs to the infielders. I think that was just to give the lefty in the pen another pitch or 2. Here comes Fox. He's going to make the move. 2-on, 1 out. Chris Myers due. The Seawolves lead 3-2 here in the bottom of the 5th inning as we pause for this pitching change.